What's up, people? It's your girl Alyssa coming to you with some new products to try out from Juvia's place. I went ahead and made a purchase and I got a new eyeshadow. I got a few eyeshadow palettes, but in this one I'll be playing with one, and I got a few lips that we're gonna swatch, girl. So if you are interested, then just keep on watching and be sure to join the family. Press that subscribe button right down below and give this video a thumbs up, and let's go. All right, you guys, so I ended up buying 5 eyeshadow palettes from Juvia's place because I hadn't purchased from them in a while. If you guys are new to my channel, you've seen my channel before, you've seen that I didn't have the best experience with the Afrique. I don't know. Somebody was telling me how to say it last time, but listen, whatever that palette is called, Afrique, I think it was just poorly executed. I probably just got a bad palette. I went ahead and made a purchase, and I did get the chocolates. It was like a collection that came with 4 of their lipsticks and the chocolate palettes. I'll do another video and use the other palettes in a different video. But I wanted to start off with this one since we focusing on the chocolates and all of this came together technically. They were having the 40% off summer sale, so that's why I went ahead and purchased this. And I love the little mini palettes. I think they are perfect for travel. This one is really deep, but yeah, this is my first time using these palettes. Baby, it's been a while, I'm trying to tell you. It's been a very long time since I touched anything Juvia's place. In regards to the eyeshadow, y'all know I love the foundation and the concealer bomb. So I'm starting off with that lighter shade first, right there in the middle on the bottom row. And I'm just gonna pat this in. So I don't know what look I'm going for. I'm just really trying out the palette. And yeah, already it's not all powdery like the shadow I have used before in the previous video. It's pretty though. This is a very pretty shade. Okay, this shade is really, really pretty. I actually really like it. I love it. It's a nice, pretty transition shade. Now I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's a nice deeper reddish brown, and let's just tap this right on right here on the outer corner. Oh yes, very nice. Very, very nice. This is blending out beautifully. I go back in with our transition shade and blend over this and blend this out a bit. Blend out the edges and soften it up a bit. This is blended out really nicely. I'm glad I went ahead and made another purchase and gave their eyeshadow palettes another try. I love the packaging, and that is black owned, girl. Love it. Black owned, women owned, bomb. I'm gonna deepen it just a little bit just for the sake of playing with the palette. This one here because it looks a little bit warmer than that one. And we got warm shades on our eyes popping out today. So I just want to take it and deepen it. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the brush that had the mid-tone brown on there and blend that out. Can we talk about how my face makeup is already done? Yes, girl, this makeup is actually the Rare Beauty from Selena Gomez. I did a review on that if you want to check that out. Like, I don't even want to put a shimmer shade on here, but we're using the palette, so I guess I should have put a shimmer shade since the shimmer's in here. This one is, these both are pretty. I'm gonna use this one, the ring finger, because that ring finger is just too pretty. Let's see. Oh, how pretty is that? That's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. And that's just off of one little swatch. I always like to take my brush when I'm not doing a really cut crease I swirled it around in the shimmer shade, and I'm just gonna blend right above it because I want these shades to come together seamlessly. Okay, Chocolates palette. The Chocolates by Juvias. I like this a lot. Let me just stick some shadow under my eye. I might do a black liner in the waterline and then smudge that out with the brown. Yep. Okay, so I finished off the eyes. I really do like the palette and I'm obsessed. Now we're gonna check out these lips, girl, that came in the Chocolate Nudes collection. All 4 of these in the shade Lady, Muted, Toffee, and Cocoa. So first of all, the packaging and just this beautiful woman on the front, I love it. They describe these as a velvety matte lipstick. And I love a nude lip. I live for a nude lip. I did go ahead and get one of their liners in the shade Cola. Yeah, the Luxe liner. So I personally don't really like mechanical liners. I like to sharpen mine, but I wanted to just get one of their liners just to try it out. Try it out, try it out. That's a swatch of the liner. So it's giving me BFF4 vibes. It's giving me MAC Espresso. So this is BFF4, this is Cola from Juvias, this is MAC Cork, and then this is BFF3. So they do all have different undertones, they looking different. So next time somebody tell you you don't need that liner, you do. You need all of them, okay? Because they're serving up different looks. So I'm gonna start from lightest to darkest, and the first one I'm gonna use is Lady. Okay, packaging. So it has like an ombre pink effect, which is so cute. And it has their logo right here on the top and the shade Lady on the bottom. It's definitely plastic, it's not heavy. It's cool. And that is the lipstick, the shade Lady. Let's go ahead and swatch that. Lady is kind of peachy there. Very light, I think. And I like how it looks on the lips. It looks nice and smooth and velvety. They call it a velvety matte as well. Okay, but let me just do this over because I don't like the liner with this. Okay, so this one is the shade Lady. I decided to not use a liner just yet and just let you guys see what the shade truly looks like on me, and this is a true nude. It's like the color of my complexion. I actually really like it. I'm not sure if I would ever wear it without a liner, but I'm not mad at it right now. It's very nice and smooth. It went on like butter, girl. Don't you know how some matte lipsticks, sometimes when you put them on, it kind of pulls the lip because it's so dang on dry. This did not do that at all. I love how it's sitting on the lip, and I really like the shade. What do you guys think? We'll talk about what's our favorite at the end of the video. I'm gonna go in with the next one, which is actually the shade Muted. I love the formula. Like, you can move your lips together like it's a lip balmy kinda. It's not all dry, so I'm very happy about that. And I think these retail for $14. Let me look. Yes, $14, so not bad. Definitely cheaper than a lot of your leading lipstick brands. So next we have the shade Toffee. You can see how smoothly it glides on. These are removing really nicely too. They're not staining the lips. They're coming right off, and I'm using a paper towel. I'm not even using a makeup wipe. So that is just let you know how nice and soft and buttery the formula is. Appreciate that. We can really test that when we try this cocoa out because this is the darkest one. And sometimes darker lipsticks do stain. This is a very pretty shade. It's very like reddy brown. Got a lot of red to it, especially on camera. Ready for fall, girl, because I am. And today is the first day of fall, actually. Ain't it? Yeah, today's the first day of fall. So this is perfect for a fall look. Come on. Okay, you guys, so I decided to end off the video with the Cola liner and the toffee lip. This is a very good combo. I really like it. Hope you guys do too. I kind of want to add a gloss in the middle, but I'll do that for pictures. So all in all, Juvia's Place snapped with this palette and he snapped with these lips. I kind of want like a few of the pinky shades, but I love all the nude shades that I got. I feel like it's for all skin tones. You can use all of these as long as you wear them well. Put them with a liner. Some you can do without a liner. It's literally for everybody. The chocolate nudes. I love the name of that, girl. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know what you want to see from me next. If you enjoyed this makeup look, let me know that you liked it, girl. These lashes, come on, lashes. And I will see you on my next video. Peace.